Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shafali and I am back again with another project discussion video. And this is the first time that I got for you a history project. So if you're a student of class 12th and history is your subject, this video is going to be really beneficial for you. Please avoid the background noise. The students are, after a very long time, they have come to school, so yes, you're going to hear a lot of these noise in the background. So focus on my voice and please avoid it. Okay. So yeah, coming back to the topic. So the project is on Mahabharat, the great epic, and it has been beautifully made. I'm going to share content as well as the details of how you have to make a project. I'm going to bring two or three more projects on history subject, and this is again going to be for class 12th. So if you are new here and listening to my voice for the first time, you guys, please do consider subscribing my channel. Also share it with your friends and family who are in need of one such video. So let's get started. So this is the front page where submitted to and submitted by Anshika Verma. This girl has made this project beautifully. You're going to see it, and yeah, so all praises to her. So she has written her teacher's name. I have hidden it just for the security purpose. वैसे ऐसा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but still. On the second page, we have a picture of Mahabharat, where this epic episode of this Draupadi Vastaharan, that's what we call, इसको सब याद करते हैं महाभारत. जितने ने भी देखी है आई थिंक सबने ही देखी होगी, तो वो सबको पता है. सो दिस हैज़ बीन पेस्टेड हियर. इट्स लुकिंग ब्यूटिफुल. Next is certification. So I have skipped two pages. One is of acknowledgement, another one is of your preface, and I think you can get that on internet anywhere. So I've skipped that page, and we are coming direct to the index page here. So this is the index, and here is the picture, very famous picture where Krishna Bhagwan has वो उठाते हैं ना उसको चक्र को, वट एवर इट इज़. ठीक है, तो सबने महाभारत देखी है और आप रिलेट कर पा रहे हो कि मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ. सो दिस इज़ द इंडेक्स पेज, और अब यहाँ से कंटेंट पेजेस शुरू हैं. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ इंट्रोडक्शन टू महाभारत, एंड एज यू कैन सी हियर कि गणेश जी बैठे हुए हैं, एंड द वन हु इज़ नरेटिंग इज़ महर्षि वेदव्यास. तो वो सुना रहे हैं और वो लिख रहे हैं. Very thoughtful when she has pasted the picturization she has done. She has been very thoughtful about it. तो ये छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स होती हैं जो ये दिखाती हैं कि कितना प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड है आपका, कितना अच्छा और थॉटफुल सोचते हो आप. ठीक है, तो आप ऐसे ही बबाल, मतलब जैसे होता है ना, बड़े सारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, वो ऐसे ही बना देते हैं बस प्रोजेक्ट को, ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स नहीं लगाते. विच इज़, मुझे लगता है अगर आप ट्वेल्थ में हैं तो थोड़ा सा अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को दिखानी चाहिए, आपको थोड़ा काम करना चाहिए इन चीज़ों में. Next is Mahabharat, the historical background. So here is our Akhand Bharat, और ये historical background पे content. Next is Mahabharat, Kuru dynasty family tree. So there's the family tree, and here is a picture of it. If let me zoom in. Yes. So very thoughtful she has been when she has pasted the pictures. Even the content that she has taken is very thoughtful, and that's really nice. The best thing I liked about it is when she has made a separate page on women in Mahabharat. Okay, if you have been following me, so you know that I have also, I mean, in one of my shorts I have told you about this novel, um the Palace of Illusion, which is again Mahabharat from the POV of Draupadi. So you should must read it. Okay, if you haven't, it's going to help you a lot, and it's going to give you a POV of how women perceive, uh, you know, things differently from men. So this is Draupadi again, the Chirhanan wala episode, and this is Gandhari, blindfolded. Next is Mahabharat political structure. Then we have economic life in Mahabharat. Next is education system in Mahabharat period. And you have again a very famous पिक्चर हियर एज यू कैन सी ये चिड़िया हैं और ये चिड़िया की आंख पे अर्जुन निशाना लगाते हुए. दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी फेमस एपिसोड फ्रॉम द एपिक. Next is military organization and warfare practices. Again, a picture of that. So picturization should be done. Okay, if you're making a project, especially class 12th graders, if you're making a project, picturization should be there about the topic that you have picked, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है और वो थोड़ा सा आपके प्रोजेक्ट को और अट्रैक्टिव बनाता है. वेपन्स एंड रूल्स ऑफ वॉर. I also like the pages that she has selected, and this is very common these days that she must have painted it with coffee, right? And but it is looking really nice. Caste flexibility and social mobility. And again, here's a picture. Next, marriage and rules for marriage. This is again the episode where अर्जुन इज गोइंग टू वो स्ट्राइक करता है ना वो मछली की आंख पे स्वयंवर के टाइम पे. दैट इज द एपिसोड. आई थिंक क्या आई एम श्योर ऑफ ये वही वाला है. नेक्स्ट, लेगेसी एंड relevance of Mahabharat today. And then, okay, I really like personally like this page. Timeline of महाभारत. तो इन्होंने क्या किया है, what has she done इस इन्होंने ये पूरा टाइमलाइन जो है 9 पार्ट्स में इस तरीके से समझाया है एंड इट्स रियली नाइस. ये एपिसोड्स हैं पूरे. बर्थ ऑफ द क्रू डायनेस्टी स्टार्टिंग का एपिसोड है. देन यू हैव जस्ट अ मिनट. बर्थ एंड यूथ बर्थ एंड यूथ ऑफ पांडवा एंड कौरवास. तो ये पूरी महाभारत की समरी है यहाँ पे. देन Lakshigra and escape of Pandava. Then we have marriage to Draupadi. Next we have Game of Dice in Exile. Then there is Return and Peace Attempts. Okay. Kurukshetra War. Victory and Coronation. And then the end. So this is really beautifully done. This is the timeline of Mahabharat. So Mahabharat has been explained in this timeline. Looks really pretty and very thoughtful of this girl. Next is conclusion. Okay. And then again there is a picture. Beautiful. Next is bibliography, from where the pictures and content and everything has been taken. So this is the last page. This girl Anshika has done it beautifully. I'm going to bring few more videos on a project of history. So yeah, stay tuned and all the very best for your exams. Good luck and yeah, see you in the next video.